Morning guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am gonna do a quick eye look with you. Hopefully it'll be a super quick, easy to do eye look. I've got a leaky eye over here, which is really annoying, so hopefully I can work around that. I'm going to use some Adept cosmetics. Let's see. I'm going to use these beauties here. See, those are my Adept cosmetics shadows. And then I also have my Plain Jane palette, which is here. I'm not really 100% sure yet what I plan on doing because I don't usually go into my looks with a plan. It's just not what I do. So hopefully I can figure this out quickly because I'm running late for work again. All right, so I think I'm gonna do, I don't know yet. We'll see what I figure out. I'm gonna start off using a blue shade. I don't know which one it is, but it's this one here. So I'm gonna use that blue shade, and that is going to go in my crease. How's everybody doing? Today is Monday. I'm getting ready for work. Anything exciting happened for you guys this weekend? I did a couple of exciting things. Let's see. So on Saturday, my husband, my kids, and I went around with my mom to a couple of thrift stores. And in the morning, my mom came over and I did our makeup for her, which was super fun and exciting. Pretty sure she was happy with it when she left. I mean, when we were finished, because then I spent the whole day with her, so obviously she didn't necessarily leave. Okay, so now I'm doing a dark blue. This one right here. And that is just going in my outer corner. And then let's see, on Saturday evening, the kids and I went to a drive-in movie and we saw Neverending Story, which is one of my favorites. It's a classic. So we went and saw that, and it was extremely cold outside. And we were going to sit outside, and then we realized that it was so cold that it wasn't a good idea to sit outside. So then we sat inside the vehicle with the kids on our laps. It was actually a lot of fun. And the kids liked the movie. It's not the first time they've seen it because we own the movie. And then we came home, and Saturday night we watched Neverending Story 2, and I fell asleep because I got up at like 5 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, so, which is normal. I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day, but I don't stay up super late every night. So now I'm just gonna blend that the blue and the dark, the light blue and the dark blue. And then on Sunday, which was yesterday, I cleaned all the counters in my house off. My kitchen table, my kitchen counters, went through everything on the counters and just threw anything away that we didn't need. And that was also fun. It's always nice when you finish like doing like a deep clean or whatever. Just like how it feels when you're done. I know it sucks when you're doing it, but like when you're finished and you're just like, yes, I did that shit. All right, now I'm going to go into one of these diamond shades. I wonder if I want to use the plain Jane palette. Let's see. I think I'm going to use this one here that's ACI 8. I am going to apply that right here. Gosh, that's so pretty. Lately, I have been feeling these blues, and I'm in love with all blue shadow, it seems like. And I seem to go between like blue and purple and green. I guess I do all the colors, but I'm not feeling really a whole lot of yellow or red or orange. And I don't know why that is, because it is getting ready to be springtime. And this eye is still leaking. I'm going to try to pick up that shimmer with, oh fuck, I just like dug right into it, huh? I'm hoping that my the shadows that I made with Copaceticcosmetics, I'm hoping they show up today. I didn't get any notifications yet, but I am hoping that they're out for delivery today. I'm super excited because those got sent out. I know that mail has been delayed pretty much everywhere, so I'm hoping that we get that today. And I know a lot of you that ordered it should be getting it as well, which I'm super excited for you guys to try out one of my favorite brands. I hope you like the color story. Favor and tag me in any looks that you guys do, just because I think that would be so awesome. And of course tag Copacetic in those looks as well. Okay, so I'm going to it's so pretty. All right, I'm gonna go into actually this blue here, and I'm gonna put that right here. And then the last thing I want to do with my eyeballs is I'm gonna take a cream shade like this one here, and I'm going to put that above my brow. also going to put that on my inner corner. I just need a small brush for that. Use this one. One other exciting thing that's happening this week is Wednesday. I am posting a collab video with a few of my friends here on YouTube and Instagram. And it is a 4-way collab with Britannia, Shandy, and Tira. So please keep an eye out for that. We're putting that up at 12 o'clock Arizona time. On Wednesday. So yeah, excited for you guys to see that. I'm excited to see what the girls, what their answers to the questions will be. Blue in my waterline. Wow, now that is a really bright blue. My lid is like green/blue, which I love. I'm here for it. I'm gonna use this Thrive Cosmetics liquid lash extensions. This is great. I don't like to use it every day because this is very expensive, but it really does make my lashes look longer and fuller. That is my eyeballs all completed, and the last thing I need to do is throw on a highlight. I'm gonna go with my Collective Cosmetics highlight. I'm going to look at that. Oh my goodness. I didn't want to stripe, but if I blend it out, it will look just fine. You guys already know. You guys already know that I use, this is my Mocha Cosmetics in Exquisite, one of my favorite lip glosses. And this is the finished look. What do you think? Did I do a good job with the Adept Cosmetics shadows? Please do me a favor and like this video down below, comment, and if you are not already subscribed, what are you doing? You should be subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe. Do me a favor and go follow me over on Instagram. Once I hit 4,000 followers, which I'm only about 800 followers away. Once I hit 4,000, I am doing a giveaway that I'm collecting tons of products for. So I'm excited about that. Please do me a favor, share my videos, and recommend me to your friends. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later.